So as you see here, I got the bracket under the footer. We're pushing what we call a starter tube and sleeve. This helps direct the tubes through the bracket. So I will push this all the way down. Then we'll start off with these tubes. They got a coupler on them, which they'll join together as it goes down in the ground. And we'll just keep driving until we reach our designated pressure and we start seeing some lift on the house. That's what we're ultimately trying to do, is to pick the home up to where it's nice and stable and wants to stay there. Then once we reach that, we'll come through, cut the tube off at 5 inches, and then we'll put what we call a cap and threads on it. Then we'll cap it all off and get it ready to put the cylinders actually that Russ has in his hands. They'll all be positioned on each pier, and then we'll be able to lift this whole area up. We can lift it all up at once or in series, however we want to control this area.